Wow, wow, wow.
Alright, get ready to jump. Hostiles are dropping into the target area and need to be stopped. I'll point, you hustle.
Wow, wow,
Don't check
wow.
anyone down there.
Where we going, Amen? What about there?
Alright, you're good to go for deployment. Post up.
Are you live at YouTube now?
Yeah, I'm doing a live stream test for Battlefield.
Cool. Good luck.
Thank you.
Rally on that location.
I think there's nobody here.
Break off and deploy.
How do you guys find this game? Is it good or bad?
Really good game. I enjoy it. I grind it every day, all day.
My games were crashing all the time since I started playing, but after a Windows update, there is no crash anymore.
Oh yeah. I have crashing only once a day. Only once a day, then I will
Just
start
got
game.
posted. Have a
Then
look and knock out what you can.
it's working proper.
It was a GPU crash, right?
I don't know.
GPU, like what was the error message? Like GPU exception,
No,
etc.
just take game. Just back to Windows. No message, and it's fine.
Then it's not the same error message I was receiving. Mine was error, like GPU error, but everything was up to date. But now it's okay.
Enemy UAV in orbit.
Oh, they have a UAV here, so they gotta be close. Be careful.
I drop UAV.
New mission is up. It's marked on your map.
Gotcha. Oh,
Let's push
there's
one.
no.
We have second chance maybe.
Where are they? I haven't checked 1 second. Let me get some bullets. Where are they? On your ping? Where did you see them?
No. I don't know.
Man, I haven't touched Apex Legends since I started playing Battlefield. Holy moly.
Area fighting.
Got a danger spot here. Contact. Hostile troops sighted.
Pushing tower. There is squad in tower and they're pushing.
Yeah.
Pushing tower, yeah. We
I
can
think
go there,
there's
maybe.
one team here,
That
one
area
team
looks
here.
bad to me.
Let's get close to this side
That area
and kill
doesn't
them.
look good.
They're busy.
Two redeploys. We're gonna have a lot of kills here.
Let's go.
Got a danger spot here.
Go. Close.
Looks suspicious.
Very
Watch
close.
yourself.
Heads up. Check your map for new
Got
mission
enemy in sight.
details.
They're going to hangar behind.
We need to be careful, man. We don't know how many teams are here. We're gonna get sandwiched immediately. There's one more team behind us.
Got a bad feeling about that.
Okay. Let's focus on the behind.
Yeah, because I saw one guy landed to the left side.
location.
What is this place, man?
Reference waypoint. Move there now.
Yeah, he is definitely here in this building.
Cover off. Reloading.
Only one?
Reposition. Move now. Marked an MG if you need one. Looks suspicious. Watch yourself.
Wanna push the tower?
They are fighting with this team.
Let's rally on that RV point. Move.
Yeah, I see.
Man, the tower is like impossible. We're gonna lose time for doing nothing.
Yeah.
Let's just
Yeah,
hold our
let's
position.
ignore tower. Let's ignore tower. Ignore tower. Let's move to next to chemical and panels.
Yeah, let's get the center of the zone so we can kill those who try to come to the zone. Otherwise,
They're shooting us now. Smoke, but I...
ooh,
Coming in fast. Watch your
these
sector.
guys have good weapons. Come on, come on, come on. Yellow.
Close. Redeploy.
Who's speaking?
Redeploy close.
Man, the other guys are behind us. Don't stay there, man. Come on. Oh, he died. Are you safe?
I'm out.
Our weapon sucks.
New mission is up. It's marked on your map.
On our roof.
On roof where?
Hangar, on hangar. On hangar.
Reloading.
Close, 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 close.
That area doesn't look good.
That area looks bad to me.
Man.
Brother, these two guys are really bad.
Yeah, yeah. All good.
If we went to chemical on time, we would have points.
Yeah, but no worries. We have one more chance, no worries.
All right, square yourself away. You're headed back in.
Custom weapon crack sighted. Over to that location.
Should we go there? Where should we go? Where do you want to go?
Kid
Okay,
is
I'm coming.
loaded. Kid is
Should we
loaded.
go? Can we go down?
Get to that RV point. Move.
I wouldn't.
Check your missions.
I think we can go down and loot. The loot is good underground. I said go down. They said not a good idea, but they are there already.
That's a big win with that intel. Keep it up.
PDW spotted. You need it? Grab it.
All right, we gotta go.
That blaze is closing in. You don't have long to get clear.
I don't wanna die here.
I don't care about team. I'm going for the points this game.
All right, go.
Shotgun marked if you need one. Way to hit Tiiroj. Intel like this can make all the difference. Hey, run line incoming. Clear out while you can.
You dying? You dying?
Yep. Masters.
Masters in this lobby? What is this matchmaking
Yeah.
then?
Matchmaking is bullshit. There is no lock between ranks.
Oh no?
No, no.
Oh, I didn't know that. Let's see, maybe we can find the mobile respawn beacon.
Let's rally on that RV point. Move! That area looks bad to me.
Come to me. Number 3.
Make your way to
We're
that
gonna
point.
try to revive them.
You cannot manage that one.
No, I'm not gonna go there. I'm trying to find the vehicle where we usually find the respawn beacon.
It's usually in the ambulance. Maybe in the black box, but in the ambulance usually. Play for placement.
I don't like the look of this.
I spotted something over here.
Man, I don't understand what happens right now. Behind, left, right, all around. This game sucks. I was surrounded. Uh-oh, the game crashed again. Wow. It's never happened before. What's wrong? We started to crash again. I don't know why. That's not normal. I don't know if it was my GPU error or... Roxanne, you don't have to put all the red line. How do we see the last match? Results? Roxanne, you don't have to put all the red line. I want to test the game before I start to play ranked. Let's play some solos and see if the game's gonna crash. I don't want to cause my teammates to lose points for this error. So if you play ranked, this is what we're gonna get. They are so ugly. This is not good, man. 20 bullets. We cannot miss. Unfortunately, the game crashed again. That's so sad. Dun, 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 dun. Come on, people, wake up. Wake up, we're gonna play some games. Come on. Oh, yeah. How did you guys sleep? Normally the game was crashing, but my stream was not affected. This time my GPU crashed, but also stream was paused. Hopefully it will not happen again. I think ranked is unplayable now.
Closing in on the drop zone. Now we need to find out what's going on, so keep comms open. You're cleared hot, so engage anything that moves. Go for deployment. Give him hell. Enemy landing near you. Make him pay.
I'm coming for you. Hello, sword. Gotcha.
Posted. Have a look and knock out what you can.
Take that. Good morning, buddy. How are you doing? Are you doing good? No, wait. All right. Nice try. Goodbye. We are farming. We are farming. Come on, come on, come on, come on. So happy to hear that. Are you a Battlefield player or? I'm not sure if you have been in my channel before. Thank you for coming, by the way. I want to test out this shotgun. I think it's a good one.
Sniper contact.
Let's see if we can kill this
That
guy.
area looks bad to me. Got eyes on a sniper!
Ooh, he got him. He got him. I wouldn't go there because I don't know how many teams are there. Let's see. Let's see. Thank you. Thank you for coming, buddy. Do you play some PC games? Or what do you do? Or have you played this game before? Let's see if we can find here a smoke. No. Oh my god. Are you crazy?
Check your mission.
What the heck? Man. I wanna kill this. Fast, 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 fast. It's gonna fly. Goodbye. PlayStation 5. But do you play this game or what games do you play? Come on, jump. I'm trying to help you. You are shooting me.
Flames. Safety zone's marked.
Idiot.
All right, new mission is up. It's marked on your map.
I'm trying to save you, but you are firing at me. Come.
Heads up. Enemy dropping into your area.
Yes, can now.
Nice work. That's a major score. Way to go.
Man, you are so... I don't know how to describe this, players, that they are so red. They are very, very red.
Enemy landing near you. Make 'em pay.
I swear this weapon is crazy. Do you see that? I play Fortnite, RPG, wrestling, and fighting games sometimes. Yeah, I used to play fighting games as well on consoles before. It's fun though. Okay, we have two good weapons. One is close range, but we don't have long range. At least they are so powerful in close range. Let's see. Oh, someone's here.
Check your mission.
Go inside, go inside, go! He's on the roof. No. Yes. I don't know where he is. He's here.
You've got a new mission on the way. Review your briefing.
No, he's on the roof.
Check your missions.
Come on, dude. We are doing good, guys. We're cooking. I like this weapon, okay, but I prefer a long range instead shotgun. My game crashed before, so I was very nervous. I was playing ranked, but it's not good. Okay, this is close by. Close, 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 very close. Very close.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
He was coming for airdrop as well. I used to play Fortnite, you know, but I don't really like it. It's boring. Ooh, I'll take this. Let's smoke here.
Area marked. Need smoke now.
And
Smoke is
like
on the
this.
way. Get ready.
I swear this weapon is unbelievable. The SMG. What is happening? Alright, alright. That was so stupid, man. He was trying to break the door.
It's marked on your map.
Oh, this guy is good.
Heads up, you got a new mission incoming. Check your briefing.
Oh, we killed this guy before. This is the first time. Second time we killed this guy.
Now or never. This is for keeps.
You better run. Make it interesting. You play Fortnite's Battle Royale game mode or something else?
New mission for you. Details on your map.
Oh. I'm very low. No, man. No. Just one mistake and we died.
Your side's been wiped out. Next time, step it up.
Just one stupid mistake and we died. I just don't like camping, waiting in the houses. I wanted to push him, but he was waiting in the balcony. It was a good game, by the way. It was a good game. I don't know what I'm getting with this information. Ba-da-ba-ba-bum, ba-da-ba-ba-bum. Please guys, don't forget to like the stream. It will help the channel to grow. Oh yes, the build was so annoying for me, man. When I played Fortnite, because there was no build system anymore in Battle Royale, so I gave the try. I think I reached 2 diamonds and I started playing. I like more Apex Legends kind type games, fast paced and more dynamic. Fortnite is like shotgun. If you have shotgun, you're good. Okay, let's go here.
Go for deployment.
Move there now.
And Battlefield is good because it's really different than Apex, Fortnite, Warzone. It's different. Good landing, good landing. We landed perfectly. Oh. We have 2 SMGs. Mobility or hipfire? Mobility. I know someone landed here.
Just got posted. Have a look and knock out what you can.
I don't know where exactly.
You got hostiles closing in on your comms. Engage and eliminate the enemy. 'Cause 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 'cause
Oh my goodness, man. So campers, man. So campers, man. Oh. I'm gonna kill this guy.
By to jump off. You're headed back in.
I'm going for him. No, it's too far away. Someone has been here. One has landed there.
Contact! Enemy infantry! I don't like the look of this.
Solid find on that intel. Keep digging for more.
I just don't like campers, man.
You've got new mission details incoming. Stand by and be ready.
I don't like campers. Whenever I do this mission, I always die.
Enemy is moving into the AO. Must be some kind of
Oh, he's far away.
down.
If we kill this guy, would be good.
That's it for this mission. Shift your tactics and go again.
He got sniped and I killed him. So unlucky, man. I'm sorry for you.
I need eyes on my position.
Can? Good.
ISR rolling in.
Where? Left side.
Heads up! Hostile vehicle! Heads up! We got a danger point. Need
This
support at
wasn't
that
hard.
location.
Roger. On the way.
Rally on that location!
Heads up. You got a new mission incoming. Check your briefing.
Grab a sniper, no? Left side.
Reference waypoint. Move there now.
That zone's heating up fast. You won't be safe there for long.
Behind us, my weapons are not good. They are not good. Have you guys tried Battlefield? The guy he was looking for ran away with the vehicle.
You've got new mission details incoming. Stand by and be ready.
No, he will finish it.
Enemies
I don't know
coming to the
why
beacon.
it's always so far
Either
away.
waste them or calibrate what they're going for.
So far away. How am I supposed to get there? In the outside. Too far away, man. It's too far away. How am I supposed to get there? Come on. Stupid game.
solid find on that intel. Keep digging for more.
You run away? I wouldn't let anybody get my age drop. He left.
Heads up.
There are shot fires.
Check your briefing.
Age drop too far away. Crash again, man. Something's wrong with the game. Oh, this is not good. I don't know why this happens. It was working yesterday. Maybe because of this. So unlucky. I think the game's fun. It's a bit hard, yes. But it's fun. Have you ever played Apex Legends? Maybe we should try play the game full screen instead, window or borderless. I'm sorry guys for this. Only this game crashes. Oh, maybe because of this one. Okay, we have corrected one configuration. None of this other stuff are open, so it should be good. Yeah, maybe it was undervolted back, that's why it was failing. Let's try again. Yeah, it happens sometimes. We're almost there. Hello gamer, you're also crashes? Yeah, I heard some people face the same problem, but mine is different. Mine has an error message. with GPU related. Are you also receiving any error messages before or after crash? Let's see, maybe it's gonna be all right after this. GPU error message. Okay, maybe we need to use an older GPU driver, not the latest. Mine was crashing more before, but it's been like 3 days. There was no crash after a Windows update, but somehow it started to fail again today. I don't know why. I don't know if it's Battlefield problem or Windows. I don't know. I don't really know. Let's see. But the game launches faster than before. That's good. I think crash doesn't matter. They have to fix the game reconnection. You know, when your game crashes, you should be able to reconnect to this current match again, so it wouldn't be this frustrating. You just lose some time, but you can still go back to your previous game and play the game. So let's see. The game is still new. They may fix it better and make it better in the future. I think the game has to be more polished. It has to be improved. Have you seen Call of Duty's graphic quality? It's amazing. This game looks more realistic, but it's something that it has something that I don't like. It's like, I don't know, man, how to explain. It looks good, yes, but it could be more sharp, more detailed. I feel like the game has two colors, white and black. Oh, yeah. All right. Let's go again. I picked my weapons, but I couldn't use them. The game crashed. Ba-dum-ba-dum-bum. What time is this for you guys? PM or AM? Oh, okay, we have same time zone. Nice to see you guys. Ba-dum bum bum ba-dum bum bum ba-da ba-da bum. When are we gonna get more spots for these abilities? I mostly play engineer, but I only have this one. They have to bring ranked system for solo as well.
You are greenlit to jump. Time to
It's
get
going to be a
ready.
risky place, but who cares?
You have a hostile jumping onto your position.
Oh no, oh no. What is happening? There's someone else here. No?
I need eyes on my position.
I read you. Here it comes.
Wow, this was close. We gotta be careful, the zone is coming.
Excellent. Way to hit pay dirt. Intel like this can make all the difference.
We have to move, the zone is coming.
Your location is heating up fast. You won't be safe there for long.
Oh no, it's too close. I will die, I will die.
Mission's updated. Review them when you can.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness, this camper guy.
New mission is up. It's marked on your map.
Let's find more ammo.
Hey, that's a big win with that intel. Keep it up. Good grab on that intel case. Stay put if you don't mind toxic fallout. Otherwise, get a move on.
This guy was It's a different guy. There are two guys. No?
Stand by to jump off. You're
There was
heading
someone
back in.
else in the first floor.
You've got a new mission ready.
Where are they fighting? Oh, we don't have heals. Guys, the game is crashing. I have to fix this problem. I don't know what's the problem. This is annoying. There was an option to delete Windows updates. When did I install the latest one? It was this one, no? Yes, yesterday. Windows Sandbox is on. I will be back, guys. I have to reset my PC.